Okay, so this is your Unit 1 assessment, Spanish 2 Unit 1 assessment. Okay, I'm going to go through all of the questions and give you guys time to answer, ask questions, and I'll give you guys answers. Okay, it's on Mastery Connect. There are apparently 9 questions with multiple parts. Okay, question 1, you're going to read the statements, listen to the conversation between the professor and the student. There's a mistake here already. It says indicate whether the statement is true or false, but it's actually open-ended questions. All right, so you're actually going to choose based on what you hear for open-ended questions. All right, so let me play the audio first, and then we'll answer questions if you have them. Okay, so I'll play that. I'll end up playing that twice next class. Okay, so for you guys, it'll be Tuesday. Sounds right? Okay. All right, so yeah, that's number 1. Okay, numero dos. Write what is each item used for. Complete the sentence by stating what each object is used for. Por ejemplo, if you said Raquel say maquillaje con, okay, hopefully she doesn't put on makeup with toothpaste, shampoo, or soap. She probably puts it on with makeup, hopefully. So you'll answer these, okay, based on what these things are used for. A lot of reflexive verbs for all of these. See? Yeah? Okay. So you'll make sure you put those in the correct thing. All right. Question 3, pregunta tres. Match the pictures and descriptions and mark the number on the answer sheet. There is no answer sheet. Okay, you're just going to match the numbers and the pictures and the descriptions. Okay, there's no answer sheet to do that. So there's another mistake. Okay, so you'll come in here, see what this person is doing. Hopefully you guys can figure out that your brother's doing something, right? And what this lady's doing. Okay, he's not singing. Well, actually, he is singing, isn't he? Okay, and then that's that gal, and then Captain America's doing his thing in that one. Okay, that's at least that's who it looks like to me. All right, bien. Pregunta cuatro. Okay, question 4. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate present tense reflexive verb form, including the reflexive pronoun. Reminder: there are some verbs with a stem change. Okay, there are some verbs with a stem change, so you're gonna put this probarse in the nosotros form, put them in the correct form based on who's doing the action. Don't forget about your stem changers. Okay, shouldn't be too difficult. Question 5, select the appropriate indefinite or negative words for each sentence. Okay, so for each sentence, pick the correct indefinite or negative word for each. Okay, bien, so far? Okay, number 6, conjugate the verb in the preterite tense and then choose if the context of the sentence of the verb is being used as ser or ir. If it's in red, it's important. 2 responses per question will be needed in this section. Okay, so you're going to put the correct form of ser or ir here, and then choose to say if it's ser or ir here. Okay, so conjugate it here. Choose either ser or ir here. Okay, for all of those. Bien? Okay. Number 7, read the following letter from the travel agent to their client. Then choose the correct response for each question below. Okay, so you're going to read through all of this. Then you're going to answer all of these questions based on what you read. Okay, so like, where did they all go? Okay, and you're going to figure out that. Okay, and then answer the questions according to the reading. Okay, bien? Question 8. Fill in the blank. Read the following paragraph about Perla's daily routine and fill in the blanks with the words that best or fit best in each sentence. Okay, so you have a drop down for all of these, and you need to make sure you know which one is doing what based on Perla's daily routine. Okay, hopefully we know what our daily routines look like. Okay, la última pregunta, the last question. Conjugate each verb in the present tense with the indirect object pronoun. There are verbs like gustar. Okay, we went over all those. Modelo dice ama Amelia, le encantan las galletas. That's just saying Amelia loves cookies. Okay, and if Amelia didn't like cookies, we would say that she doesn't belong on this face of the earth. Okay, so make sure you're conjugating according to who's doing the action. Make sure you put the correct indirect object pronoun and the correct conjugation of the verb. Either it's going to be in the third person singular, third person plural. Okay? Bien? No hay preguntas? No questions? So we'll take this your next class. So for you guys on A days will be on Tuesday. B days will be on Wednesday. Okay? So, bien? All right. I'm going to stop sharing.